Hi, I'm Penelope Jane Smith, and in this video, I want to share one of the easiest ways to create a new passive income stream from scratch, starting with as little as 20 cents. Today, you're going to learn about the magic of drop shipping, what it is, how it works, and how you can get started right away. This video is actually part of my free e-course on how to make passive income. So if you haven't seen the earlier videos, I highly recommend that you go back after this and watch them because you can get it for free right here on YouTube, and it'll walk you through making passive income step by step. You'll lay a firm foundation for financial freedom, and then in this video and future videos, the course becomes much more choose your own adventure. So I'll post a link in the description, or you can just look for that playlist on my YouTube channel. Now, what is drop shipping? And how does it work? Well, the very first thing you need to do if you want to make passive income with drop shipping is to tap the like button on this video. I'm just kidding. You don't have to do that to be successful with drop shipping, but I would really appreciate it if you'd take a moment to just give that like button a little boop anyway, because when you like my videos and leave comments, YouTube figures that this is a good and interesting video, and maybe other people would enjoy it too. So if a video gets enough engagement, YouTube shows it to a few more people, and if they like it, YouTube shows it to a few more people. And this is ultimately how I grow my channel and reach more people with my message, so I can then turn around and create more great content for you. Now, back to drop shipping for real. Drop shipping is when you offer a product for sale, but instead of storing and shipping the products yourself, you transfer the order to someone else, like a manufacturer, wholesaler, or fulfillment house, and then they ship the products directly to your customers for you. You can usually automate this process so that when someone orders from you, their order gets fulfilled without you having to do anything. That part sounds pretty passive, right? But what about all the time and energy it takes to actually market and sell your stuff? And what if you don't already have stuff to sell? What do you sell? Well, to make this as passive as possible, I recommend getting in front of traffic and demand that's already there. For example, find something that people are already searching for and already buying on Amazon or eBay or Etsy and sell that. So the strategy here is that people are already searching for something without you having to do anything to drive traffic. Your product comes up as an option, and when they buy it, their order gets fulfilled automatically. That means that you're investing your time and energy into researching what's already selling, creating or sourcing your own version, connecting it with your drop shipping provider, and then listing it for sale. My experience doing this has been with Etsy, so let me talk about that specifically. Etsy has about 20 million users, which is huge, but not so huge that there's a ton of competition on it like Amazon. It originally started as a place to sell handmade products, but a while back they changed their policy to be any unique product. This was a game changer because that made it way easier to create passive income from Etsy. In the past, you had to physically make each item and ship it out. But now you can use a print-on-demand service that'll print it for you whenever somebody orders and ship it to them directly. So all you have to do is put your design on Etsy and on your print-on-demand site, and then everything else is handled for you. Pretty cool, right? The reason this is so huge for passive income is because you don't have to put in any labor besides the original design and listing. You don't have the manual work of printing the stuff, creating an inventory system, using a shipping system, packaging the boxes yourself, etc., etc. I use a print-on-demand service called Printful, so I'll link in the description to that. But it's not the only print-on-demand service out there. Some people use Printify, but I don't have any personal experience with that one. Printful allows you to print your designs on all kinds of stuff. Clothing, tote bags, iPhone cases, throw pillows, aprons, mugs, water bottles, posters, lots of options. So what you do is you upload your designs to the Printful software, and then connect your Etsy and Printful accounts. Then when the order comes in on Etsy, Printful prints your t-shirt or tote bag or whatever and ships it for you. All you have to do is connect the software, create the designs, and do some occasional customer service. Now, let's talk strategy. When most people think about selling on Etsy, they have a product and they're trying to figure out how to get it in front of more people. But the real power with this is to find out what people are already searching for and already buying, and then sell that. Again, you're getting in front of traffic and demand that's already there. So with this strategy, you find your customer first and then create a product for them. When you're doing market research on Etsy, look for products that say bestseller or that over 20 people have it in their carts right now. To see how many people have that product in their cart, click on the actual listing and scroll down to right under the Add to Cart button. Once you've found something that seems to be in demand, see if you can think of how you'd create your own version that's different and would add value. Like maybe this design is black and white and you could create a color version. Do not just copy someone else's design, okay? That is absolutely not cool. Don't do it. And then you also want to check to make sure you're not infringing on any copyrights. But if all that checks out, then you might have a good design on your hands. Now, what if you're not a professional artist or graphic designer? Well, the good news is you can still use this strategy. You can keep it simple by using some text, maybe a royalty-free image or graphic. Like my first sale on Etsy was a t-shirt with a word across the top and then a little royalty-free graphic in the middle. My favorite way to create designs is in Photoshop, but that costs money and has a relatively steep learning curve. So if you're looking for a free option that's easy to use, you might want to check out GoDaddy Studio or Canva. I'll put links to those in the description for you. If this resonates with you, this is a fun and easy way to create a new passive income stream. It only costs 20 cents to list a product on Etsy for 4 months. So it's really easy to get started. A couple in one of my mastermind groups used this exact strategy to sell over $750,000 worth of stuff in only 9 months on Etsy. So that's a quick overview of one specific way to make passive income with dropshipping. There are also people who make a ton of money with Fulfillment by Amazon. In case you're not familiar with it, Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, is a service that helps Amazon sellers outsource their shipping to Amazon. In this case, Amazon stores, picks, packs, ships, and delivers your products to your customers for you. And Amazon even handles customer service and returns for those orders. One of my husband's coworkers discovered that he could buy a certain item in bulk and then sell it on Amazon for a profit. When he buys more of it, he has it shipped directly to Amazon's warehouses. So Amazon stores it for him, and then when an order goes through, Amazon ships it directly to the customer. I haven't tried that myself yet, but I have a mastermind buddy that does something similar. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video where I interview him about how he makes passive income from dropshipping with Amazon. Since you've made it this far, if you found this helpful, please tap the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't already done that. And if you'd like to see more personal finance videos from me, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the little bell icon so you see when I make a new video. Thanks for watching and good luck making lots of passive income.